friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am sharing the Simply Earth December recipe box, and unless you are the Grinch, you're gonna love this box. Okay, a little bit about Simply Earth before I share the box with you. It's one of my favorite essential oil companies. They are a team of really cool, down-to-earth people that just want to help you not only get the oils into your hands and into your homes, but help you create a non-toxic house. By sharing recipes each month that are really easy to do. They give you almost everything you need to make the recipe. They make it super simple and just things that you're going to use for the month. So the recipe box is what I recommend for sure because it's $39 and you get everything that I'm going to show. It's way over $100 value each month. Sometimes it's close to $200, but it is just a really good value and a really good way to just jump in and start using oils and start transitioning your home to more non-toxic lifestyle. But they also have just a website where you can go on and repurchase or buy like single items if you'd like to. With all that being said, the link to shop will be in the description, and I have a code that gives you $40 back to use towards your next box or something else in their store. So it's a really good code, and you also get a free big bonus box, which is literally huge, and it has like coconut oil and bottles and other things that you'll typically need to make recipes that they send to you. Okay, anyways, let's jump into the box. Okay, so I did something a little bit different this month. I already made everything because I wanted to show you how cute everything was. So my box is empty. I usually just open it up and take everything out. So it's not really an unboxing. It's just kind of I'm sharing everything. But this is, there's a bead rolling around. This is how the box comes. 4 oils and then recipes and things to make your recipes in the side. And then again, if it's your first month, you get the big bonus box, which is just exciting. And the name of it just is exciting too. So these are the recipe cards. So there is a room spray, macrame ornament, 2 of those, a massage oil, roll-on tassel, and a diffuser blend. Here are the recipe cards. So they're all really cute too. This is like a legit, like if I don't know how to describe them other than like down to earth and legit stuff. This is not like cheap. It is just wholesome. I love Simply Earth. Anyways, there's little bits of information on each of the back of the cards too. So forgot to mention earlier, they give back 13% to help end human trafficking, which is huge. I've never, I don't know any other companies that do that. A sneak peek to next month, a note from Katie, which is the aromatherapist, one of the founders, and just a bunch of stuff. So recipe cards. And then they also on their website have a cute little box that I still need to get to keep all your cards in, because you start collecting and then you can organize them if you're like me, Enneagram 1, and just want to like organize them by, you know, whatever they are. Okay, anyways, next there are 4 oils in each box. That's like I said, so the 4, there's usually a blend and then 3 singles usually. So first one is Bay. I also love their bottles, and so does Chris, my husband, because they have a lot of information on each bottle. It's probably too small to read, but it has the plant part, so what part of the plant this is from, the name, like the Latin name or binomial, whatever that name is that no one can pronounce, the origin, so where it came from, and then how the aroma is. And Chris loves that, and he just loves like going up to the oil shelf and just reading the labels. So if you want to geek out like that, go ahead, but it's just really helpful to have that on the bottle, especially if you're new to oils. But this is Bay. So this is sweet and herbal. It's from the leaves, and it is similar to kind of like a eucalyptus to me. Kind of like a more of a earthy eucalyptus. I really like it. I was excited to try it because I have not tried this oil. That's another thing that I love, is that you get 4 oils, like you don't choose them. So you're going to get oils that you don't have, that you've never used or heard of, and then they're going to show you how to use it and give you ways to be creative with them. So I love that. Okay, bergamot next. I love bergamot. It is my like winter citrus oil. It's kind of a warm, more of an herbal, what does it say? It is citrus, spicy, and floral. So it's just like a warm citrus. It's a little different than orange or lime or lemon. Not as bright, but it is still like uplifting. I love bergamot. And this is a 15 ml. The Bay was a 5 milliliter bottle. They're usually all 15. So bay, bergamot, and then this is the blend. It is vanilla woods, and it is so good. This is Peru balsam essential oil, benzoin, and vanilla oleo resin, which is the, if you're a Young Living member, that's what the vanilla is from them. But this is vanilla woods. It's very warm and cozy. It's really good for the staying in. It's kind of got that like bourbon vanilla, like I had like this natural vanilla perfume years ago. And it's kind of like that. I think the name of it was bourbon vanilla, but it's kind of like a warm and spicy vanilla, which is just perfect really for all year. Okay, next is something I've never heard of, so I was excited about this too. This is lemon eucalyptus. Super cool, right? So this one is from the leaves. It's Eucalyptus ceterodora, so it's a different form of eucalyptus, which I feel like I already have like 4 or 5. So eucalyptus is really cool. This one's from China, and then the aroma is balsamic and citrus sweet. It's very pungent to me. It's a very like citronella lemongrassy. It's super strong. So it's one of those that if you are going to diffuse this, use 1 drop. Especially if it's in a blend, it'll overpower anything you use it with. So this is very strong. I like it though. It is I like these. Chris really likes these too. He likes citronella and lemongrass. It's good for the fresh scent. So the way that I like to use this and lemongrass is to put a couple drops on my, what is it called, filter in my vacuum. It just pops out of the top, and you can just add a couple drops, and then when you're vacuuming, it just makes your whole house smell good. So there's my little tip. But all right, so next I will show you, so the first recipe was macrame ornament. It was really easy to make. I've never done anything with macrame before. I love it. I have it all over my house, but I've never made it. So I was like really excited. I thought it was going to be way harder, but it was not. So it gave you, this is my bead. It did come with beads, but I couldn't get the bead on there, so I used just a bigger one. But you get like a roll of this macrame, this little wood stick, and then you just kind of, the directions are really easy to follow, but look how cute that is. So you can use this on your Christmas tree right now. But then when you take your tree down, you can hang this in your car, add a few drops to it, use it as a diffuser. So I love this. What does it say? 3 drops of vanilla woods. Yeah, so it's a diffuser macrame ornament, and I love this. Next is massage oil. This was made with almond oil, which comes in your big bonus box, bay essential oil, bergamot, and then it came with this little bottle to put it in. So that was easy to make. I made everything really fast, just in the kitchen. I don't know, maybe 15 minutes is what it took me. This smells super fresh, and it is relaxing. I think the bay essential oil has some properties similar to like a muscle rub, like a peppermint or eucalyptus, kind of like a soothing for muscles. Let's see. No, whoops, doesn't really say. Okay, so there's that. The next one is a holiday dinner support roll-on. Usually each month you get a recipe to make a roll-on, and in your big bonus box you get roller bottles. So, and then also every label, they come with a sheet of stickers to label everything too. It's just everything you need. So this is the holiday dinner support roll-on. We use this at Thanksgiving actually, because I get my boxes a little early. But there's the top on it in case you're not familiar. And then when you're making it, you just pop off that white part, put your drops of oil, which are actually on, let's see, the exact recipe's not on, but the ingredients are on this label, which is really nice. But this is bay, lemon, and bergamot, and just kind of supports your like bloated, overeating, just holiday belly support. Next is another diffuser, yes, this is the tassel diffuser, just a little bit different. They gave you like a little wooden ring, and then you just tie a couple of strands on and fray them, and it's really cute. I think I'm going to put this one in my car, or you can use it as a keychain. I've had a keychain like this before, so I love those. Okay, next you always get a recipe to make a blend. So that means you're putting like 20 to 30 drops of whatever is in your box into a bottle, an empty bottle, which comes in your big bonus box, to make your own special blend. So this is Bright Winter Day. It's vanilla woods, bergamot, lemon, and bay. So you just put, super windy out, it's like a tornado outside. But this smells really good. It is like bright but citrusy. I mean bright but spicy. It's a really like unique blend of things, and the Bright Winter Day name is like perfect. They nailed it with that, but I love this. So this, you just add 3 to 5 drops to a diffuser, and this is a diffuser blend. So really you get 5 essential oils. Okay, next and last, this is the last one, Christmas Grove Room Spray. I like making room sprays because I like to have that Febreze type of feeling where I'm just going around like spraying things. That's how I grew up. So I like that, but Febreze is obviously terrible. So I love making room sprays with essential oils. This is the cute little label that they gave you. This was made with 2 tablespoons of hot water. You dissolve some salt in there, and then once it cools to room temperature, you put bay, bergamot, and then the vanilla woods blend, and it smells really good. And spraying it around, spray it on your Christmas tree, spray it on anything that has anything porous. Is that the right word? Or non-porous? With pores. I like to spray it on, we have these like all over the house, or little wood like decoration pieces. I spray all of those, furniture, whatever you want. Share these recipe boxes at the beginning of each month, by the end of the first week of each month, if that makes sense. So make sure you come back and watch the January box. Actually, they always put a sneak peek of the next box. So it says next month, Citrus Burst. Okay, I didn't even read them all. Okay, Citrus Burst, Clary Sage, my hormone support, like all-time favorite oil for that. Patchouli, my favorite scent oil, and then pine. Sounds so good. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for your support on my channels and my blog and everything. It's been such a good year, and I really just appreciate every single one of you, and I see every single like, every follow, every watch on my channel, and I am just so thankful. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Happy holidays. Bye.